It is weekend again and it's another weekend vlog. And today is 5th day of my carnivore reset. So today before going, I'm gonna eat this. And I am making bone broth. We are going to Nala's farm today for ocular inspection for our camping. Pangaon sa me.
Kani?
Nilagay akong lugar. Kung kuwan, magkanami ka ng okay. Kumig sila na bayad.
Basa ha, basa.
Oh, naa siya mang.
Pila pod?
400 yung kada isa.
Kada adlaw.
Oh, kada adlaw.
This is Nala's farm in Airbnb. This is the main door. And then this is the biggest room daw sa ubos. And this is the living room. Di pa we cannot get inside because there's dito to kay naiduyan. Naiduyan. Nice. Hindi tra diri kay dili kayo had ng walay mga pang. O pingpura na nadira.
Bilyaran na siya nga pingpong, bilyaran o basketball daw.
Ah. Okay. Nice. Natana kay para makatabakon.
Amo ni ka upat na kwarto ko na kung makuha ka ni.
Babaw tulor pa sa babaw.
Ay gaya na sumpay sulod.
Sige na madam, let's go na madam. Kay busy pas kuya. Dili kompleto ang pag-aris car kung di mo pala itong chicharon. Puro rao. Saan eh? Bilan eh? Wala rin baboy na. Saan mo? Ikaw, dara din siya. Magkabuhig turil. Lamias ka na eh. Ay, nako. Maiar jugog mukaon ko ani.
Alimot ati baby.
Daghang salamat. City of Karkar. Day 5 of carnivore reset. Oh, this is the only delicacy I can eat. So it's chicharon in Bisaya or Filipino term, but it's pork rind in foreign countries.
What pork?
Pork rind.
Rind?
Rind, yes.
What rhino na?
R-I-N-D. Oh, it's already almost 5 p.m. na. What time? 4:39. We're in SM City and I bought coffee with me. By 5 p.m. I'll take my medicine and I don't have any meat here with me, so I'll just drink this. Hopefully it can help me to take the medicine without irritation. So finally we are home. We've been out since 11 a.m. and it's already 10:30 and our bone broth is still going on. I don't know when we actually arrived. There's no more fire, so we put up another butane here. Then again, today is my 5th day of doing the reset. I didn't eat around 7 for my 7 medication. I still have 10 p.m. medication that I have not taken. So I'm gonna eat this. I still have the my pork and beef, ground beef and ground pork. I'm gonna eat this and I'll take my medicine. And our bone broth is still bone brothing here. So I'm gonna turn the fire into very low. Just gonna simmer overnight until morning, until tomorrow. So that's it. It's been, the kids are already sleeping. Um, we've done our task for today to check the venue for our youth camping on June, and so far my carnivore reset is still going on. I have not cheated or any. I just had coffee and what else? That's it. Coffee, then chicharon pork rind, then fish. Hala, where the then that's it. And that's it for today. Thank you so much and good night to everyone.